Welcome to the CryptoNest. So Bitcoin yesterday did a new higher high. I'm trying to check if there is a way to be more precise or more accurate on the next move of Bitcoin. Honestly, it's very hard. The structure it's very messy, and yeah, that little guy. I don't know what happened with this. So we had the wave 1, wave 2, very nice wave 3. Now the question. The $1 million question is this fourth wave even started or finished? Are we going to make a new higher high? Because technically this can be a fifth wave, because we did a higher high compared to this one, and that's the deal is done. So now I was trying to do some micro counting, and then I was okay, so if this is the third wave, this has to be the fourth wave. And so we are working on this fifth wave. I don't know where the fifth wave is. Okay, that was very far. Okay, so trying to calculate this fifth wave now. And you can see that it's not really working well. Because, I mean, if I count this as a wave 1 and wave 2, and this as a third wave, I think the ratio should be not that bad. Let's go and check it out. I wasn't super accurate on my beginning of the trend, but you just have. So we do have the 1.38. Let me take out a few levels here. Actually, I'm going to leave those ones. And here, yeah, that's not bad. All right, so wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, 1.38. That's amazing. But the problem that I have now is this fourth wave, because I believe it went too much. It's too deep. Move on the right side. So even though it's not dramatic, but we did go. Well, I never had a close candle below the 0.618, so, but it's a little bit stretched because can I really see a three-wave movement? And this is why I don't do much micro counting on 15 minutes, because I could say this is an A, B, C, and this maybe yeah, I don't know, an A, B, and this is the C. Okay, so that would work, but once again, this is micro counting, so take it with a pinch of salt. All right, so now to determine the next target, well, first of all, I think I should just, to be fair, just add the 2x level. So we have 96,226, but I honestly find it's already too much. So 94,224 would be my way to go, honestly, to be more conservative. Now we know that this fifth wave in red is going to end this fifth wave in blue, which is going to close this third wave in orange. So the orange pullback, it's down here. Let me see if I can put it on the same screen. So we're talking about 83,700 to 74,165. Well, more likely is not going to go as low, but we never know. So now for a moment, I just want to zoom in and try to estimate another way of estimate the this fifth wave in red. So I'm going to take the beginning of the wave 1 to the end of the third wave, to the end of what we think this is the fourth wave. I'm going to take the setting for wave 1 plus wave 3. Okay, so usually we aim 0.382, but we are there because we know, so that wouldn't work out. Also, the 0.618 is not going, I'm going to leave it there, just, but you can see that we already reached there, so it doesn't make sense as planning that as a target. And that is, why is that? Is because now this fourth wave was way too deep. This is why it's messing up our numbers. So 94,589, this is my next target for this fifth wave. And I'm actually already put some sell stop limit for those level, even on my ETFs. And now I'm going to try to make a projection how high could my miners go, especially my hot-end mining, and what level could it be reaching. And I'm going to sell some position on my hot-end mining as well, because let's face it, everybody now is pretty much topped up or near the top, and I believe it's the time. It's a good time to take some profits. Now I'm not taking 50% profits. I'm taking maximum 20%. And if it goes higher, I let it run, because I'm still at 80% in and enjoying the ride. And just keeping some cash on the side, because it never hurts. There are some other people, interestingly, that they're saying, well, Ethereum, it didn't do much, and it's still into this third wave, and this is the A, this is the B, and still doing this third wave. And possibly by doing micro counting, we could count, you know, yeah, maybe we could count this honestly as a 1, 2, and this is the third, and now it's doing the fourth. Also, you can see that maybe we're making a side triangle consolidation, or where is it? Where is it? Here. Let's see here some. Okay, so something like that. Now, is this? Do I want to put it here? I'm not sure. But anyway, not that it matters, but you can see that we are moving on the side and kind of consolidation. And you can see that the volatility of the price is getting lower and lower and lower and lower. So I do believe it's about to break out. Would it be crazy now to scale out, take some profits on Bitcoin, because we almost reached the target, right? And maybe transfer those funds into Ethereum, because I believe Ethereum, maybe it's ready to go. So stock RSI is ready to go. Let's go on the 4 hours and see the RSIs. Yeah, RSI also. So we said if this is the third wave and we're doing the fourth, well, usually the fourth, it goes around the 50 levels for the RSI. Stock RSI, it's a long time oversold. And yeah, so this is it's an interesting setting, or maybe opportunity perhaps. Well, for sure, this is not financial advice. Am I considering to do that? Honestly, I think I'm going to check how it goes. And my personal strategy now, if Bitcoin is going to start to skyrocket, well, everybody's going to focus on Bitcoin. But as soon as it reaches my targets, if I see that Ethereum didn't go yet, yeah, with those profits, I believe that I'm going to go and scale into Ethereum to catch possibly this next ride here. Now, as you can see, I didn't do much of analysis. You see, last time I did the fibs were here. Okay, so you can see that we just reached the 0.236. Yeah, didn't want to use that. And where is my 4? There you are. Going to bring my 5th here. Okay, so now I'm going to try to estimate what could be the potential target for this 5th wave. So first of all, I'm going to take the wave 1, and I'm going to add it to the wave 4. I'm going to use the, well, I'm using the C because the setting for the C because it's the 1-to-1 ratio. All right, so we're talking 3,947. Now, there's another way of calculating that. It's, I'm going to take the wave 1 to the wave 3. Honestly, I don't feel comfortable doing that because it would be just insane. I mean, it's actually not that bad, honestly. At the end of the day, not that bad. I'm going to put it in orange or maybe yellow. Okay, so we have 3,729 and 4161. So those are the levels now that I'm going to try to focus. Well, first of all, let's see if we can get to 3,600. We were here about 34, but yeah, $4,000. It's not about crazy. And yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to share. I'm just gonna go and check the RSIs. You can see that once again RSI are reset. So yeah, it's very, very nice setting, I believe. All right, so this is pretty much all. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.